One of the biggest misconceptions of prostate cancer treatment is that when hormonal therapy stops working, chemotherapy is the only treatment option. This may have been true a few years ago, but not today. Today, we can identify a target called as PSMA, which stands for prostate-specific membrane antigen, on the prostate cancer cells, and we can treat it with lutetium PSMA therapy. This unique approach, where diagnosis and therapeutics come together, is called as theranostics. In theranostics, we first see the target and then we treat the target. That is why lutetium PSMA therapy is one of the most important advances in prostate cancer management. And the question is not whether we should use PSMA therapy or not, it is increasingly when we should use the PSMA therapy. What can patients expect from this? For a patient who has advanced metastatic prostate cancer, success is measured not just by reduction in PSA value. For them, it may be able to live independently for a longer duration, to be able to sleep throughout the night without constant bony pain, to be able to attend a family wedding, or to spend time with the grandchildren. Remember, the goal is not just to live longer, it is to live a better quality of life for a longer duration. And PSMA therapy exactly delivers that. This treatment is non-invasive, it is safe, it is well tolerated, it is given by an intravenous injection, and it is a daycare procedure. Most of the patients are able to return back to home by the end of the day. There are certain myths regarding PSMA therapy which I would like to discuss. 1. PSMA therapy is a palliative treatment option. No, this is a disease-modifying treatment option. Of course, PSMA therapy gives symptomatic relief, but it gives much more beyond that. Clinical trials have demonstrated that PSMA therapy improves the survival and gives a better disease control. This was demonstrated in a landmark VISION trial which showed that patients lived longer and the time to progress almost doubled from 3.4 to 8.7 months. 2. PSMA targeted therapy is a last resort. Many people believe that this treatment option is to be availed only when all other treatment options have been exhausted. But the science is actually moving in opposite direction. PSMA-4 trial has shown that PSMA targeted therapy, when given before chemotherapy, offers significant benefit. And that's how the treatment paradigm is changing. PSMA therapy is moving much ahead in the treatment journey of prostate cancer patients rather than being reserved till the end. 3. PSMA therapy destroys the bone marrow. I have had frequent conversations on this, and it's the biggest notion which people have, that if you take PSMA therapy, your bone marrow will be finished. It is not like that. Real world scenarios and the clinical data do not support this fact. Having said that, we constantly monitor the blood counts, and in reality, many of the patients who come for PSMA therapy are actually heavily pre-treated. That means they would have received multiple chemo sessions or radiation, and in such patients, marrow suppression is actually an additive effect rather than being because of the PSMA therapy alone. PSMA therapy is competing with chemotherapy. No, it is actually expanding the treatment options for advanced metastatic prostate cancer patients. Modern researchers are trying to explore how PSMA therapy can complement the hormonal therapy or immunotherapies. What is the future of theranostics? The exciting part about theranostics is that it is just the beginning. Many researchers are now trying to combine PSMA therapies with novel androgen axis drugs or immunotherapies or PARP inhibitors and see how the synergism works better compared to each of them alone. Actinium-225 is a targeted alpha agent which is used for hard to treat prostate cancers. Terbium-161 is a next generation radiotheranostic agent which helps us in harnessing the power of both beta emissions and the ozoelectron emissions. So the future may not be a single treatment, it may be a combination approach, and most importantly, the right radionuclide for the right patient at the right time. A decade ago, we were able to see the prostate cancer. Today, we are able to identify a target and treat the cancer. Tomorrow, we may be able to do even better. The era of theranostics has arrived and it is here to stay. This is changing the lives of patients with advanced prostate cancer. I am Dr. Avni Jain, consultant nuclear medicine and theranostics. Thank you for watching.